Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Archicad tutorial how to select all walls. So as example, you can draw walls in here. And the next we create again at this point. Now if you want to select these all walls, you can click on the wall tools and then press Ctrl A to select all walls. Another option, you also can select again these wall tools and then go to the edit menu and then you can use select all walls. Okay, that's it for basic Archicad tutorial how to select all walls.